Are you looking for climate resiliency tool? Watch this.
How can we best prepare for climate change? The world is experiencing catastrophic climate change, and the effects are getting worse every day. Nowhere is this more evident than in the Philippines, where coastal cities and low-lying areas are at risk of flooding due to rising sea levels and heavy rains. Hence, Philippines is ranked first in the World Risk Report 2022. Understanding the impacts of climate change and disaster-related risks is important for climate resiliency to encourage NGOs and international financial institutions to invest in the LGU of Cagayan City. Finally, a breakthrough approach in measuring climate resiliency of place is available. The CROP Index is a standardized method for informing the resiliency of place and is designed to help local governments and organizations to identify actions that can increase their climate resiliency. The index was developed as part of Sparta Hackathon Challenge implemented by Development Academy of the Philippines and funded by Department of Science and Technology. The Climate Resiliency of Place Index is a tool that helps cities, business, and communities prepare for and adapt to a changing climate. It analyzes and ranks the resiliency to climate change of individual communities. It's based on a set of indexes that measure climate-related risk, such as flooding, decrease in water, drought, food insecurity and other socio-ecological profile extracted from locally accessible data such as CBMS. CROP Index is developed using statistical modeling such as Monte Carlo simulation, and confirmatory factor analysis to derive a set of indices for local climate resilience. It uses the local census data such as CBMS available through the planning office in your local LGUs. To compute for CROP Index, first, gather all your CBMS survey results and select the CROP indicators for each subindex. Then, normalize these indicators in MS Excel to be comparable with other places having a value of 0 to 1. Add your normalized indicators to come up with the 4 sub-indices. Then, to compute for CROP Index, add the 4 factors such as economic activity, social capital, access to utilities, and exposed to risk. Lastly, use the open-source QGIS software to map your results. However, you can use the results in Excel by ranking the index from low to high as mapping is optional. Find out more about the CROP and how it can be used to help your community. Reach me at the following links or drop me a message at Facebook.
This is your host, Environmental Planner Roger Leslie, saying thank you for this big opportunity to pitch my solution to Cagayan City and to the panel of judges. With that, say thank you and God bless.